Hello guys, and welcome back to today's video. My name is Zik, the programming guy. In today's video guys, I want to show you how to unmute account on your TikTok live. It's very easy. Now let's get started with the process. The first step to take is to open your TikTok application and click on the plus sign at the bottom of your screen. After that, select the live option and click on the go live button. Alright, so once you're live on TikTok, you can now mute an account and unmute it. Alright, so how can you unmute an account? You can unmute account by clicking on the three dots at the bottom right corner of your screen. Scroll down and click on settings, and then you find the muted accounts option. Click on that. Alright, so right here you're going to find the accounts you muted during your live. Alright, so you can now start unmuting the ones you want to unmute. And by the way, even though you didn't unmute all the accounts right here, once you end your live, those accounts will be unmuted automatically. Alright, so that's how the mute function works on TikTok live. Okay, so guys, this is how you can actually do it. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, give this video a like and equally subscribe to this channel to get more helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.